Hello again, everybody. Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I am back with program number 37 from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer, a book by Len Turner, and a book I used to carry around with me and pore over and go home after school and type these programs into my TI-99 4A. And I got a bee in my bonnet some time ago to type all these programs into the Classic 99 emulator and give them a whirl for the first time in many, many, many years. Okay, so we are on program number 37. I'm going to go ahead and read the program description, type the program into the TI basic portion of the Classic 99 emulator, run it, and see what we can make it do, see what we can learn from it. Okay. So number 37, Whiz 1 Smart Adder. These 6 programs in this section of the book make up our Whiz series. One of the fun ways to use your computer is in wowing your friends. Next time they ask, but what can it do? Show them its uncanny abilities at adding, spelling, writing upside down, even cracking jokes. Try these 6 Whiz programs on your friends. You'll love their reactions. Smart Adder is the first in this series. When your neighbor drops in for a cup of coffee, bring out the computer for a demonstration of its lightning speed. This program adds long strings of numbers in a flash. You give the computer a number, it starts at 1 and adds all the numbers up to and including your number. For instance, if you give it a 5, it will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and display the result. Ask your neighbor how fast he or she can add all the numbers to 100. It should take several minutes. While he's working on it, let your computer do it in a split second. Your neighbor's reaction is bound to be, gee whiz. Okay, let's get busy. Let's wow our neighbors over a cup of coffee, apparently. 10, call clear. I'm going to wow my YouTube viewers over a cup of coffee. 20, input, give me a number. Give me a number. And let's see if we have a space in there. We do, and we're going to call that n. 30. If n is less than 1, then 20. For L equals 1 to n. 50, x equals x plus L. 60, next L. 70, call sound. 100, 440, and 1. That's 100, I think, milliseconds, I believe. 440 hertz, I think that's an A, and 1 is the volume. 80, print the total of all. $90, numbers 1 through 1 through, we got a space, end quote, semicolon, and n. 100, print, oops, typo, is, we've got end quote, semicolon, x. 110 for z equals 1 to 11. 120, print. 130, next z. This gives us 11 extra lines. This bumps the answer up in the middle of the screen there. 140, x equals 0. And 150, go to 20. Okay, let's clear the screen. Let's list out the program and make sure we didn't commit any typos or introduce any bugs. Make sure the syntax all looks good. At a glance, it all looks fine. Let's run the program. Okay, give me a number. So we'll do an easy one. Let's start with 5. So it's going to add all the numbers from 1 through 5. 15, and that's right? 1 and 2 is 3. 6, yep, 10, and 5 is 15. Oh, got someone spamming the stream, so ignore that. Let's do another one. Let's do 15. Total of all numbers 1 through 15 is 120. Okay, let's do 47. 1,128. So this is pretty fast, actually. Let's do the computer suggested 100, so let's do it. 5,050. Okay, let's do another one. 250. It's going to start taking a minute longer here, but it's pretty quickly. 31,375. I'm actually kind of impressed at the speed. Anything in TI Basic is pretty slow, and this is not too bad. Okay, let's do 1,000. It's going to take a little bit longer here. So it's basically running a for next loop 1,000 times. There we go. 500,500. Okay, let's do my birth year, 1978. It's going to take a little bit of time here. $1,957,231. Let's do my area code. And how about the area code for my hometown? All right, let's in the program list it out. I'll run it once more. Yeah, I'm just kind of pushing and bending this. Run. I don't know, 247? 30,628. How about the, again, I don't want to do area codes, but 916, where I live currently. Okay, let's do, I don't know, oh, let's see, what's a reasonable, I don't know, 1701, a little nod to Star Trek there. It's going to take a minute here, so hang tight. $1,447,551. All right, let's do, oh, I don't know, how about my dad's birth year, 1949. You know, the bigger the number we enter, the longer it's going to take to calculate, of course. The urge to do a really large number and let it just churn away all night is almost overwhelming, but I'll resist that urge. 1,900,275. All right, well, pretty straightforward program. You get the idea. This is called Whiz 1 Smart Adder from the book 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner, circa early 1980s. If you are watching this on YouTube after the fact, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under CozyAzeroth, my Twitch handle, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots of TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, various miscellaneous educational topics of interest to me, both personally and professionally. Lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and all the above on Twitch as well. If you're watching this on Twitch, like I said, check out my YouTube channel as well. Whichever platform you're on, check me out on the other platform for all the above. And in any case, I really appreciate likes and follows, and especially subscriptions, which really help me out greatly in these financially challenging times. Thank you very much. I'll be back soon with the next program, Whiz. Let's look ahead and see what it is. Whiz 2. 3-digit mystery, and if you're like I said, if you're watching this live, I'll be back soon with that video. But in any case, if you're watching this on YouTube after the fact, check out the rest of my YouTube channel for every video in this series. I won't rest until all 101 of these programs are done in the not too distant future, and I'll probably keep going with other books from here. So stay tuned for lots and lots and lots more TI-99 4A content coming. Really appreciate your time, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.